What can a good staffing offer? To all the business owners and managers out there, do you know what the key to your business growth is? It is none other than the human resource of your organization. Employees have a direct impact on a company performance and profitability. So hiring good employees is one of the integral parts of your business development and growth strategies. Are you following internal recruitment in your organization? Are you partnering with an RPO agency? Either way, building a talent strategy is a great challenge due to a competitive market. Organizations are struggling to find engaged employees due to high attrition rate in recent years. The extent of priority given to finding the best talent is gradually being recognized, and the recruitment market expanding its technological competencies. But what is the purpose of putting in so much effort for staffing? For more episodes, please like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. As the recruitment industry is expanding each year with more challenging business goals to accomplish, technology is giving a hand to ease up the load. The market is witnessing some of the best talent acquisition software with automated features these days. HR teams at staffing companies incorporate such advanced processes to achieve top quality hires. In fact, staffing companies play a major role in hiring good employees by building a talent strategy effectively. This is because of the widespread acknowledgement of the impact of commitment and engaged employees on business growth. Leaders and managers are focusing on enhancing the recruitment process so that the right talent can do justice to their job role and the organization's culture. So good staffing is ultimately beneficial for the organization in multiple ways. Keep listening to the proven advantages of good staffing that we have gathered through our industry expertise. Quick results and high productivity. Proper staffing means hiring the right talent for the right role. Hiring good employees with excellent proficiency and adequate experience directly impacts the organization's productivity. Also, good staffing is one where the best candidate is selected at the right time. So any discrepancies due to job vacancies can be eradicated quickly with effective results. Ultimately, business performance and productivity will increase sooner than expected with good employees. Achieving business goals. Businesses have preset goals to be achieved within the stipulated time, and they rely on their employees to accomplish that. So good staffing can help businesses reach their target position. The challenge in recent days is the high attrition rate during the work from home model, which makes it easier for employees to switch jobs. This causes great disruption to businesses in achieving their objectives. But implementing effective recruitment by implementing a talent strategy can attract the best talents for the role who can elevate the business performance in the expected time. Cost-effective workforce utilization. One of the significant factors that business profitability is the inefficient utilization of human resources. When you are overstaffed for a simple job, that affects the organization's investments. Also, being understaffed can bring huge losses to the business. So, optimal utilization of employees is required. This can be achieved when every employee works for their fullest potential and commitment while eliminating the need for additional resources. Engaged employees can save investments on additional resources, recruitment, training, and compensation. Workplace diversity. The concept of diversity, equality, inclusion is becoming widely acknowledged and practiced worldwide in several top organizations. It does not only improve the organization's corporate social responsibility, the CSR, but also enhances perspectives on innovative ideas and business development. So this vital aspect of workplace diversity can be harnessed by recruiting good employees through effective staffing strategies. Also, organizations that are struggling to keep up with their diversity and inclusion policy can achieve the same through expert RPO or staffing who have excellent processes and tools for candidate screening and selection purposes. Employee engagement and retention. The chief cause of higher employee turnover is the lack of employee engagement and recruitment to their job role. This may sound like something to do with employees' personal attributes, but is highly dependent on the organization's staffing effectiveness. Building a talent strategy is prioritized by recruiters because the candidates must align with not only the expected skills and experience, but also the employer's value and mission. The perfect candidate for the job role is one who has an adequate skill set and experience, along with the ability to adapt to the organization's work environment. As employee behavior impacts their engagement, commitment, and performance, finding the most suitable talent is crucial. So good staffing can be beneficial in improving employee engagement and reducing attrition. Higher market competitiveness. We all know that the market position of an organization is decided by its performance. However, one must not forget that business performance is largely dependent on employee productivity, engagement, retention, commitment, and overall performance. For the consistent survival and growth of a company, good employees are pivotal. Leaders may build several business development and growth strategies, but it is up to the employees to successfully keep up with those strategies in their task performance. With the right talent being recruited, an organization can see a significant rise in its market competitiveness and stay ahead of its competitors. Planning and strategizing may be crucial, but the execution is everything. That now that you have known the benefits of good staffing, get into action and start focusing on the quality of recruits rather than the quantity. Ask yourself, is good and effective staffing a significant part of my business development and growth strategies? If the answer is no, then it's high time you worked on your recruitment quality. Invest in the best talent acquisition software on the market. Automate the process involved in recruitment and save time. Design a meticulous recruitment plan based on the demands and make the screening and interview process much more refined. Organizations can find the right talent by partnering with staffing companies, whereas the staffing companies must focus on adopting the next big thing in the recruitment trends. Nevertheless, recruiters must keep in mind that good staffing is a sure-shot way of making the business profitable and successful. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.